Class 9, let's continue with Act 1, Scene 3. Fine. We did Sherlock's speech. Now we'll start it from lines number 27, 127, Antonio's speech. Antonio, I am as like to call thee so again, to spit on thee again, to spurn thee too. So whatever complaint Sherlock made to Antonio, fine. So what complaints did you remember? Sherlock complained that Antonio spit on his gabardine, on his beard, fine, call him dog, kicked him as he kicked the stray dog, and he used to speak ill words for Shylock in the presence of the merchant in Rialto. So he said, Antonio replies, he said, yes, I am as like to call thee again, so to spit on thee again, to spurn thee too. Antonio said, it is very possible, it is very probable, in fact, that I shall call you dog again. Again I shall spit on you and kick you again. If thou wilt lend this money, lend it not as to thy friend, for when did friendship take a breed for barren metal of his friendship? So if thou will lend the money, lend it not as to thy friend. So if you lend me the money, clear, do not lend me as a friend. Lend it not as to thy friend. Clear? Lend it not. If you lend me the money, lend it to me not as if you were a friend. Lend it to me as your enemy, right? For when did friendship take a breed of barren metal for his friends? Because friends do not charge interest on money which they lend. So if you are lending me the money, don't lend it to me as your friend. Fine. But say, because when did any friend take from his friend a profit on a loan? Clear? Of an unprotected money. But lend it rather to thine enemy, but lend it to me as your enemy, who if he breaks thou mayst with better face exact the penalty. Lend me this money, thinking me as your enemy, who if he break thou mayst with better face exact the penalty. So in that case, lend it to me as your enemy, so that you may be able to demand from me the prescribed penalty with a better justification in case I fail to repay the loan to you in time. What happen if you lend it to me as your enemy, and if I am not able to pay your bond on time, pay your money on time, you can take whatever penalty you want. Fine. Sherlock, why look you how you storm? I would be friend with you and have your love. Forget the shames that you have stained me with. Supply your present want and take no doit of uses for my monies, and you will not hear me. This is kind I offer. Shylock said, why? Look you how you storm. Well, I find it strange that you are angry. How you storm means how you are angry, how you are losing your temper. I would be friend with you and have your love. I want to become your friend and want to win your affections. Forget the shames that you have stained me with. I want to forget the insults with which you have disgraced me. Supply your present want. I want to give you the money. I want to supply you the money which you need, and take no doit of usance for my money, and I do not want to take even a smallest amount of interest on the loan which I shall be giving you. And you will not hear me, but you do not want to listen me. This is kind I offer. I am making a friendly offer of a loan to you. Dana, this is a kind offer that I have given you. Bassanio, this were kindness. Bassanio said, yes, your offer is certainly a friendly one. Sherlock, this kindness will I show. Go with me to a notary. Seal me there your single bond in a merry spot. If you repay me not on such a day, in such a place, such sum or sums was expressed in the condition, Let the forfeit be nominated for an equal pound of your fair flesh to be cut off and taken in what part of your body pleaseth me. Now this kindness will I show. Very satirically he spoke. Now this kindness will I show. This friendship I am ready to show. Fine. Then he said, go with me to a notary. Come with me to a notary. Notary is a lawyer, we can say, a legal officer. So come with me to a notary. Seal me there your single bond. Single means a bond that is signed by one man. Fine. So it will be signed by Antonio alone. Seal me there. Though sign for me there a single bond. The bond signed by Antonio. In a merry sport. It was just for a pleasant joke. Fine. What do you say? I do not want any witness for my bond. Clear? But simply as a joke, merry sport. If you repay me not on such a day, in such a place, such sum or sums as are expressed in the condition, let the forfeit means penalty, let the forfeit be nominated for an equal pound of your fair flesh to be cut off and taken in what part of your body pleaseth me. It is just as a merry sport, simply as a joke on which we may be able to laugh later on. Fine. You may include in the bond the condition that if you will not be able to repay my bond on such and such date, on such and such place, clear, such money that is written in the expressed in the condition, let the forfeit be nominated. Then what would be the penalty? The penalty would be that I would be entitled to cut a pound of flesh from your body, from whichever part I like. Clear? So he said, if you are not able to pay the bond according to the condition of the bond, let the penalty be named as an exact pound of your flesh to be cut off whichever part of your body I might like to take it from. Is it clear? So children, revise it till here. Rest we will do tomorrow. Thank you.